Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft today, probably a little bit in a panic mode because of the sluggish PC sales due to the high price of RAM and SSDs, but especially the RAM memory, has taken down a documentation that said Windows 11 was working best with 32 gigabytes of RAM. And this, of course, comes in the fact that I think Microsoft is trying to refocus Windows 11 to work better on lower RAM. They talked about, what they're trying to do with Windows 11 on Windows 8 and so on. And it comes in a context where we said it. If we look at numbers, even though, stat counter numbers are not super accurate, there's something that you can see is that Windows 11 has pretty much stopped growing. And that stagnation is, I would guess, personally, it's going to stay like that till the end of the year and probably into next year, especially since RAM prices are to be very high and even continue growing, apparently, until next year before they level off and eventually maybe go down. I think we're going to have a really tough PC market here with new computers. I'm glad I purchased a couple of new machines before all of that started because right now, when I look at prices, I'm pretty much amazed that you get something like my machine that I have here, which is double, if not triple, the price that I paid for the same configuration because the RAM and everything is just too expensive. I just can't believe how crazy things are going. So Microsoft is, I think, reshuffling the minimum requirements as not to scare people away from the operating system and from buying a new PC, which I'm sure a lot of companies are having a hard time anyways to sell their PCs. And it's going to be interesting to see the next quarter of PC sales, what it's going to look like. But already we're in decline, and I don't think it's going to get better. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.